This video is a step-by-step tutorial on how to master every single tool in CapCut app, from basic cuts to advanced AI features. And I strategically divided it into 5 sections, and make sure you follow it through from the beginning to the end. And I promise you that in the end, you no longer have need for any CapCut paid courses. Alright, roll with me. Section 1, the goal and the grand rules. CapCut is one of the most popular video editors, but the interface can be overwhelming. The goal of this tutorial is to master the 25 plus core tools of CapCut. We will start from the fundamentals and build from there, using only the apps and phone full of clips. Section 2, the painful basics. This is about the absolute fundamentals, cutting and arranging your clips. And now we roll. But if you don't have CapCut already on your phone, just simply go to your app store, download it straight away. And after your download, just get your random clips and practice with me. Alright, let's go. To split a clip, first import your clips to the timeline, select the clip you want to cut, then move the white playhead to the exact spot and tap the split button. Boom, it's been split. Then to delete a clip, simply select the unwanted section and hit delete, and you can see it's gone. Then to rearrange clips, press and hold on a clip, then drag it to a new position on the timeline, and the whole entire clips automatically reshuffle and give space for the new one. Now we focus on audio because a video without a good audio is unwatchable. Yeah, to add music, tap the audio button and select a track from CapCut's library. Or to extract audio, if you have a video with sound you want to use, select that clip, find extract audio in the toolbar, and CapCut will pull the audio into a separate track. And that's just it. You can use the audio independent of the main video clip. To change speed, I also use the speed controls to fast forward through slower parts of a clip. You know what that means? By the end of this section, you will have a video that is properly placed and has clear audio. Section 3, the turning points, visuals and keyframes. This section is about making your video look good, what some people call editing magics and tricks. To add transitions, tap the small white square between any two clips to open the transition menu and choose an animation to move smoothly from one shot to the next. And to add filters and effects, that's to give your entire video a consistent look. Apply the same filter to all your clips. Yes, just like as I'm doing here, so that your clips will look uniform. I wouldn't look inconsistent. To generate auto captions, this is one of the best advantage CapCut has over other editing apps. Yeah, today the most important tool for social media is auto captions. Just tap text in the main menu, then select auto captions. The AI will generate subtitles for your entire video. You can then edit the exact text and choose from hundreds of preset styles. And now comes the master himself, keyframes. Keyframes allow you to animate anything, just anything. The concept is simple. You set a start point and an end point, and CapCut animates what happens in between, just like the same way I'm about to do right now. To create a keyframe animation, just select a clip, move the playhead where you want the animation to begin, and tap the keyframe icon up here. It looks like a white diamond by the side of this preview window. This marks the starting point. Now move the playhead further down the clip and change a property, like increasing the clip size. A second keyframe is automatically added, creating a smooth zoom in while you play it back. You can use keyframes to animate a clip's position, size, rotation, and opacity. This is how you make text across the screen or make images grow and move. Mastering keyframes give you precise control over every visual element in your video. Like as powerful as this keyframe is, most of the time I spend a lot of time trying out keyframe strategies on a clip to be able to get something very stunning. In fact, Keyframe is the magic behind editing. Keyframe is what turns a still image into a moving image. Keyframe is what adds a entire new angle to a video image. So you need little time to start practicing and experimenting on this keyframe. It is so wonderful that it is the best thing that can give your video a different overview from what you could ever shoot. Section 4. Advanced Composition and AI Wizardry. On this section, we're going to build complex scenes. Now, starting with overlays. To use overlays, start by using overlays, which lets you track videos and images on top of your main timeline. Tap overlay and add your media, and your media automatically covers the main clip, just like as it is here now. And to make the overlay come home, that takes us to the next point. Overlay feature becomes powerful when combined with masking. Mask lets you hide or reveal parts of a clip. For a cinematic look, I use 2 rectangle masks to create black bars, and then use keyframes to animate them sliding into view. To use chroma key, that is the green screen. And for you to have a green screen, you need to film a subject in a green background. Then come to CapCut, import that clip, select it, and find the chroma key tool. Use the color picker to select the green color. Then adjust the intensity until the background is fully removed and replaced with the video back underneath. That's a very beautiful stuff. Now, welcome to CapCut's AI tools. To use Smart Background Remover, this tool doesn't need a green screen. Take any video of a person, select the clip, press Remove Background, and the AI will cut them out, just like that. To use text-to-speech, this generates a natural sounding voiceover from a script you type. And then to use script to video, this is the most powerful AI tool. You type a simple prompt, like a 1-minute video about the benefits of drinking coffee. The AI then writes a script, generates a voiceover, finds relevant stock footage, and edits all together into a finished video. And this brings us to section 5, the secret workflow and the final project. On this final section, I combined all these skills into a simple 5-step workflow for creating videos quickly. First structure: place all your clips on the timeline. Use the split and trim tools to create a rough cut. Only focus on the story and pacing at this stage. No fluffs, just the high points to keep your audience engaged for AVD. That's the average view duration. Second, audio. Add your main audio track, whether it's music or voiceover, and add sound effects to emphasize key moments. Third, core visuals. Apply a single consistent color grade or filter across every clip to create a unified look. Then add your main transition to ensure the video flows correctly if you must, because not everyone uses transition, just like me. I don't use transition because I like very clean transition between my clips. Fourth, dynamic polish. This is where you add keyframe animations to create moment and energy. Add your text, overlays, and marks to give the scene more depth. And finally, the fifth, the AI magic. Use AI to handle time-consuming tasks, generate auto captions for all your dialogue, and use AI background remover or AI enhanced voice to clean up difficult shots or audio recordings. Using this workflow will dramatically reduce your editing time. So we have gone from fumbling with basic cuts to editing with complex animations and leveraging powerful AI tools. The tools that once required very expensive softwares has become very much accessible and free for everyone on phone, thanks to CapCut. But here is the challenge for you. Just pick any of the tools in CapCut you've not used before, keyframe, masking, or AI tools, and spend 30 minutes playing around and practicing with it, and you'll be surprised at the editor you become in 7 days. And while you do that, remember to drop your editing challenge in the comment section. If you get support, we're going to make another video for it. From now onwards, we shall be making videos according to your editing challenge. so that it shall be tailored down to your editing needs. You are the catalyst. Catalyze the subscription button and share to reach others.